taught to rivet tongs together. Here's a pair I've made in one of my lessons, or several of my lessons really. Okay. Now I've got the rivet in place. I need to mark twice the diameter of the rivet proud of the piece. I've measured the rivet, it's 8mm. I've set the calipers to 16. I just make a mark, which I can see. Mark that with a piece of chalk. And then cut it off there. Now a lot of people won't know this one. Here's a top tip. Putting the rivet in the vise, hold it in a pair of flat bit tongs and then put the flat bit tongs in the vise. Okay, there. And then you can see nicely to cut it off and you can hold it securely. I've deburred the cut end on the grindstone to make the next bit easier. So assemble it as it were dry. Now, the way I've been taught to hot rivet, I know you can heat the rivet and then insert it and then clean it over, but this is the way I've been taught to do it. Put it in the fire like that, holding the lower of the two reins so it doesn't fall apart. Okay? Build your fire up well, and then just nestle this in the top of the fire. When you're ready, out of the fire, both reins, obviously it's got to be cool enough to hold, turn him over and off you go. Here we go then. I've built the fire up with fresh fuel, coke, and it's running flat out. Now I'll leave it for a couple of minutes and then we'll be ready. That's a good hot fire. Now I'll just nestle the tongs in the top and wait for the rivet to heat up. Just pat that rivet down, make sure it's as low in the fire as I can get it. Quick precautionary chill of the reins in case they've got too hot for me to pick up. And just check the rivet heat. Yeah, that's good. Give them a minute now. There's the finished result after I've lined the ends up. Here's a piece of 16mm stock that they're designed to hold. That right to my big hands at the back. Probably a bit wide, but I wouldn't be holding something that long normally, so it wouldn't be an issue. Not bad. Could be better, but you know.